यार एक बार दबा दो।
अंदर बहुत छोटी जगह है, बहुत छोटी है।
हाय वी डू इट इन टुगेदर
मैम राइट अंदर
मैम यहाँ पे
यार राइट यार सामने यार राइट स्टार्ट हो गया यार सामने यार राइट
यहाँ पे यहाँ मैम स्ट्रेट सेंटर क्या रहा है वन से
सेंटर
you have caught me off guard
excuse me
सेंटर
यार सेंटर राइट लेफ्ट साइड
मैम यहाँ पे मैम क्या रहा यहाँ पे मैम excuse me one second
राइट
मैम यहाँ पे क्या रहा यहाँ पे
जी यहाँ
मैम यहाँ पे मैम
जी लास्ट यहाँ पे कियारा जी
Sam we do it inside guys आप लोग जगह तो देखो ये ड्रेस खराब है
कियारा लास्ट टाइम
हाँ है
पीछे से फील क्लियर कर दो प्लीज
आई थिंक आप लोग सब अंदर
भूमिका मैम यहाँ क्या है यहाँ पे मैम दिस क्या
उधर जाओ
आपको वहाँ जाना
ले रहे उधर एक मिनट बहुत ज़रा सारा थोड़ा और भी हम तो आ रहा है शॉट के द्वारा क्यों ये ये संकेत ये ना
ये मांगे
Tell us about your homework. That's it. Picture. Done. Thank you.
क्या रहा एक ये साइड में करते प्लीज
Okay. हाँ, so then
मैम देखिए
ये साइड की उस साइड
या लुक यार
हाँ after this I'll stand with her. I will. Touch the blouse.
थैंक यू
घर फोन कर जा
Wait, I do the HDMI. Let's start with HDMI. Just get them started. Okay. Got it? Okay, let's do it. 1 minute. Yeah, we are doing bites. He's just starting the interviews.
एक्सक्यूज मी हमको निकले हो फोटोग्राफर्स को प्लीज
फैजान
Yeah, I sent her my yeah, so I said that she's a loan sender now. They're all coordinated with her.
किशन किधर गया किशन
So everything's coordinated with
फैजान
the same. Yeah, so yeah, it's fine. Yeah. No, it's okay. Additional, you can make it. Oh, I love it. So these are the pastas. First I thought I will send you the pasta, but then I was like, I don't know if I'll get the time to get your hair. This is from
Thank you.
Hi.
Thank you so much. That's really sweet of you. Thank you. Can I keep it here for now?
Yeah, absolutely.
फैजान आ जाना
I love you.
बाइट कर
वो दरवाजा बंद है हाँ okay, let's get This is the worst part about it. सिर्फ मैं हूँ इसमें भूमिका होते पास ना हाँ
ओके क्या सबसे पहले अपने आउटफिट के बारे में बताइए काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है ब्यूटीफुल लग रही है इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए जानना चाहेंगे
I think the creator of this outfit is here, Bhumika, who should say more about it. I can just say that I feel beautiful in it. It's so light, yet so regal, so beautiful. I love the palette. You know, everything, the pastels are just so divine and beautiful, and that's totally me. I love these pastel colors, peaches, lime, white. So
Yeah, the color
Bhumika,
totally works for her.
I think I
And
have.
it's the festive collection. Rakhi just passed away. Now we are here for Ganpati and the festival season. So this is a new festive collection. So we've launched the store with that today.
Okay, what was the inspiration behind your collection?
Right now, like I said, the festivals are just starting. So this is our main festive collection getting into the season. And that's why we thought it's the right time to launch the store.
क्या आपका क्या स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट है अगर आपके लिए बात करेंगे?
Style statement, I don't know style statement क्या है, but I think for me, if you're comfortable, then anything looks great, and you know you'll feel good, so it'll look good. But when it comes to Indian, I like to have fun with it and try different things and be versatile. We have so many options. I mean, you have a ghagra and a sharara, and I mean even this, what I'm wearing, if you pan down, it's a lehenga, but it also looks like a sharara.
Yes, that's the
So,
idea.
and the idea, and also while I was wearing it, I realized that, you know, it's so versatile as a piece itself. I can easily wear my, a different, you can wear it as separate as well.
You can wear it with the dhoti as well.
Exactly.
You know, and attend a mehendi function.
Okay,
You can
कितना
wear
कंफर्टेबल
So,
है ये इसके बारे में?
super comfortable हूँ मैं. I think it's so light and so breezy, and it's perfect for the climate that we live in, and the country that we live in, the climate that we have. Even if it's a destination wedding, or
Yeah,
I mean now
that's what
that
we keep in mind, the destination wedding, which happens all year round.
yeah. And you don't want to be too heavy when you're carrying
Less is
clothes.
more.
Less is more. And I feel, you know, the colors and just having lovely borders and
And I think
this
the color
gota work and all
totally
this.
works for her. Like the lemons is just
Yeah.
like.
Okay, क्या दिमाग में आता है जब बात जब फैशन की आती है तो किस तरीके से मतलब क्या दिमाग में डेफिनेशन क्या बनती है कि क्या पहनना है कैसा क्या करना है?
मैं अभी पेरिस से आई हूँ and I've done a full shopping trip. So now the only thing that when someone says fashion is like, oh, let's go shop. But I think being a girl, every girl, I think for that matter, whoever's here would probably vouch for it, that playing dress up is the most fun thing. So when you talk about fashion, when you talk about clothes, I think we're luckier than boys because we have so many options. You know, we have a skirt and we have pants and we have Indian, and in Indian we have 100 options as well. So that's the best part about being a girl. You can just play dress up so well and have so much fun with it.
Okay, क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगी फैशन टिप्स?
Tips मैं किसी को कुछ नहीं देना चाहूँगी. Just be comfortable because yeah, you'll be radiating if you're comfortable.
So why you thought of coming up with your own store?
Sorry.
Why you thought of coming up with your own store?
It's my store.
It's her. She's saying, have I ever thought of coming up with my own store? I don't know. Maybe at some point. I don't know if I'll do something by designing my own clothes, or maybe curating something. I'd love to, maybe, but not now. Maybe a little later.
Okay, machine के बाद में what's next? अभी क्या?
I'm doing a film with Mahesh Babu right now, which will be my Telugu debut. It's a huge opportunity working with him and Koratala sir, who've given one of his biggest hits before. So it's a Pongal release, which we're very excited about. So yeah, that's next.
And 15th August is coming. What do you want to say to the whole country?
Happy
Any-
Independence
any
Day.
message you want to give?
Just be responsible citizens and yeah, make India proud.
In Mala. You want to ask question? What's the name of the
Bharat and Nenu. Yeah.
Okay, भूमिका, जैसे कि पहली बार आप
Yeah,
बॉम्बे
let's
आई हैं, पहली बार आप
नहीं मैं पहली बार बॉम्बे नहीं आई हूँ.
तो उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm looking forward to a new chapter in my life.
I can say she doesn't need to be nervous because I've walked into the store and I'm already deciding what I wanted. I'm going to call it. So, okay, I have this event and I'm going to
Super.
come here and do some shopping.
That
so
sounds fun.
You don't need to be nervous.
Ma'am, a 4-year girl raped in Malad.
let's stick to
Let's not stick to all that
divert.
right now.
Thank you.
she's the